Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Time XYZ's Natasha, and I'm happy that you're here today. And today I don't have my air fryer today. I'm just going to show you a quick snack, especially when you're on keto or any kind of special lifestyle. It could be hard to find certain snack. So this is a quick and easy one you can do. Leave it in the fridge and pick to go whenever you want. Got really simple. And today we're using almond butter, which is rich in a lot of vitamins and minerals. It would look something like this. Just look at this. Right? Cute, easy snack. All you need is some molds like this, and then any mold you want, because you can get every shapes and sizes with them. I use my heart mold as well. But these snacks are quick and easy. So again, if you're looking for a quick snack to keep in the fridge, they could melt if they stay out. So you have to keep them in the fridge. But they're delicious. They're versatile because you can do different stuff with them, like different nuts, coconuts, different additives to it to make it however you want it to be. But it has a little salt taste, a little sweet taste, but it's up to you how much you want to put in it to make it sweeter or no salt at all. It's up to you. But guys, quick snack that anyone could eat, and it's crispy because of course I put my favorite in it. If you've been watching for a while, you know I like coconut, so I put coconut in a lot of my snacks. You don't have to. It's versatile. Do the base. You can eat it just like that, or you can add stuff to it. So let me just show you how it's done. Okay, everyone, so for this quick Cinna-Bombs recipe, so I have my swerve sugar for sweetener. I have some bulk almond butter. So we just went to the local store and they grind it up for us. You can do this yourself at home if you buy the almonds and you have like a coffee grind, you can grind it yourself. Cinnamon, of course, vanilla extract, some Celtic sea salt, whatever salt you want to use, and of course some coconut oil. First thing we're going to do is get our almond butter out of here, and we need for the almond butter 1/3 cup, and you can double the recipe if you want. I do that sometimes. Measure. There we go. In a bowl. You want to use a bowl that can go in the microwave, because you're going to put it in the microwave for a little bit of time just to get warmed up. And we have our coconut oil, and the coconut oil we need 1/4 cup coconut oil. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here. So these together, I'm gonna put in the microwave for about 30 minutes. Sorry, 30 minutes, 30 seconds to maybe 1 minute, right? So they can melt together. So 30 seconds in the microwave. And now you're just gonna add all the extra stuff and mix it up. Well, let's mix it up first so you can see the consistency of what it looks like. Alright, so that's it there. All melted together. And then let's add our swerve. Now, I add 2 tablespoons of swerve, and that's not overly sweet. So if you want it to be sweeter, then you can do maybe 3 tablespoons. But you can try 2 first, and then if you think you want it to be sweeter, then you add an extra one or maybe a half. And then our essence, of course, and then some cinnamon. So 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. If you want to add a little bit more, you can. Right? To taste, of course, where cinnamon and your vanilla extract is concerned. And then they ask for a dash of salt. Now this is the coarse salt, so let's put a little bit, just a dash they ask for. And guys, this is it. This is our snack for today. Look at that, right? Okay, so I have some molds here. So any molds will work. You can do something like this. It's small, it's nice. They're like little bite-sized chocolate, or something like this is great, and you get bigger ones, or even the heart ones. Oops, sorry about that. And even the heart ones. So I have some chia seeds, you can put that in it. I have some pumpkin seeds, you can put that in it. Walnut, you can put that in it, and pecans. And of course, my absolute favorite is coconut flakes. So if you've been watching me for a bit, you'll know I like coconut flakes and everything. Everything just tastes good with it. So you mix that in. So if I just want to leave this as this, that's fine. That's an option as well, right? If I want to put in some pecans, I like pecans as well. I'll put some pecans in it. Right, there we go. And if I want as well, what I can do is and this is what I do sometimes, is do, like I have this, I'll put some just like this, right? So that's one option. So I can do half the mole, you know, like this. Right. So we'll do that. So you can just see what that's like. I should have done plain too, so you could see. And I'm wasting it. No. Okay. There we go. Now, so now I can add some pumpkin seeds to this. Right? And then I can, and if you want to just separate it and do it, or sometime what I will do is just put the batter in and then add the seeds to it according to whichever one I want. Okay? So when I make this for like my husband, he likes a lot of stuff in it, so he wants all of them in it, and I'm more of the just give me a few of the stuff in it, right? All right, so this one, let's add a little chia in this one, and he likes walnuts, so let's do this one for him because he likes the walnuts and stuff. All right, so that's for that. So you see, it doesn't make a whole lot, but if I had put it all in here, it would have been one big. But I want to show you how nice it is when you have just a little one, because you can pick it up and go, and it's just nice. You just have a little bite. The great thing about this is, or being on keto, is being prepared, I think. So, you know, sometimes you feel munchy, and then it's nice to just have something you can go to when you're munchy, instead of, you know, you have nothing and then you have to, you know, try something else, right? Or find something. So it's good to have. Maybe I'll make another batch, plain one, and put it so you can see how it looks when it's just plain two by itself. So I can do a second batch, and then we can fill up these section here, just so you can see how it looks plain. And let's not waste, right, these stuff. All right, so there we go. All right, so I'll do a second batch and just fill these two up, and maybe do some heart ones as well. But for now, this is ready. So guess what? We're gonna put it in the fridge for like maybe an hour or less for it to get hard, and then I'll show you what they look like. Look at that. Quick snack. I mean, because I'm doing it for you to see and taking my time, but this is done in no time. So now we're gonna put it in the freezer. Okay, everyone, so you put it in the fridge for like an hour or less, and let's take them out and see what we have. These are all chia seeds from before, so let's go. Just have to peel them out, and here you go, a little snack. Now, of course, you do have to keep them in the fridge because they can melt, but it's just for you to see. A nice snack. So look at this one. This one just has the sunflower in it. This one has chocolate chip in it. So it's great for creating variety, right? Look at that. this, the plain one, see? And then we have these little ones. Look at that. Just a little snack. Okay, everyone, so I hope you try the Cinna-Bombs. And as you can see, they're very easy. They taste great. You can even give them to your kids as a snack. You can even put them on a little like lollipop stick for them, so it's easy. And when you finish with them, you just, you get a little glass container or whatever container, and you just stow them, right? Just put them there and leave them in the fridge. And when you're ready, you just go in. You pick your snack, you eat your snack. Of course, with some tea. Always with some tea, and away you go. But look at that. They look like fudge, actually. I don't know if you guys know fudge, but they do look like fudge. But the point is, they're really good. Okay, everyone. So thanks for coming by. Thank you for watching. So press the subscribe button. Hope you're gonna have a great day. God bless you. See you next time. Bye. Cheers.